Hi, I'm Nick Thomas, Director of Club Operations for Freedom Boat Club. Today, we're going to talk about life vests and safety when doing water sport activities. Hey guys, how you doing today? We're out here on the water. We're talking about life vest safety. You should always wear a vest, but more specifically, you should wear a vest for the type of activity that we are going to be doing. Today we're doing some wakeboarding, some tubing, maybe some skiing, maybe some wake skating. Who knows what today holds, right? But we did check with our local laws and we found out that for our state where we're at, everybody that's in the water doing a water sport activity has to have a specific vest designed just for that activity. So make sure you check your local laws to see what's applicable to you. For us, we knew what we were doing. We went and we found the appropriate vest for us. Because when you go to the store, there are plenty of vests, right? You will find vests for kayaking. You will find vests for stand-up paddleboarding. You will find vests for fishing. You will find a vest for almost everything that you can think of. The two most common for water sport activities are going to have foam inserts and either a nylon exterior or a neoprene exterior. For today's use, we went with the neoprene exterior with the foam inserts. It has a zipper that keeps everything nice and close, and then exterior buckles. That's a huge requirement by the Coast Guard. Has to have exterior buckles on it, right? On the back, on the inside, it'll say it's a US Coast Guard approved life vest. Make sure your life vest always says that. This life vest, you want it to fit nice and snug, right? So if in the event that Zach falls in the water today, it doesn't ride up over his head. This one fits him perfectly. Types of life vests that are not 100% are not good. This one right here, you do not want to use this one for your water sport activities. Definitely don't. All right, this one not good for your water sport activities. That's a no-go. So you want to make sure that you check with your local laws and see what you can and cannot use. For us, this one's where it's at. Now we're ready to go wakeboarding.